Hello everyone, welcome to Workstatus. In this video, we are going to give you information on the budget report. For that, come up to the report section from the side navigation bar and you can click on budget report. The screen is going to show up like this, where you can see the name of the budget, what was the type of the budget, any clients if has been added to, the project against which the budget has been created for, the status of the budget and the profit and loss amount against the budget. It is going to give you the margin percentage and the budgeted time usage by the specific members who have been allotted that budget for. This information can be sent via the specific email ID and have it scheduled at a certain time, and then you can even download as PDF or the CSV format. You can have the data filtered from here, and you can also mark the date range under which you wish to see the data for. So this was all about the budget report. Thank you.